What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. Also, shout out to anybody that is new to the channel, and while you're here, be sure to click on that subscribe button down below. So I am back with another Nike by you or Nike ID haul. The last video that I did got a lot of good feedback on it. I think last time I checked it was at like 50,000 or something like that, which is crazy. But shout out to everybody who watched that video, those of you who are still here from the video. And I decided to go ahead and do another haul. So I originally ordered 2 pairs, and these restocked like 3 or 4 times. I will explain a little bit later on how to get them and all that. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just get straight into it because I do have 4 different packages and I want to kind of hurry up and, you know, get through the video for you guys. So I'm gonna just be trying to open these up as quick as I can. So here is the first one that we have. Oh, they took the image off, so I don't know, maybe it's just my pair, but it used to be an image here with the image of the shoe and then the name. It would say whatever your name is, would say it on there. But anyways, let's see what it is. And I'm glad that this was the first one because I wanted to explain the reason why the laces are like this. So originally when these first dropped, I kind of hesitated on making this design. There's 2 other ones that I made first, and then this was like one of the last ones that I made. Now, as you guys can see, this is inspired by the Travis Scott 4, right? So it has the same similar colorway. The material is like a satin material, which sold out. So the longer you wait to create your Nike ID when they first drop, the more restricted you will be on getting, you know, certain colors and certain materials, which is why my laces are this color. So when I went back to create these, once these restocked, the black laces were sold out. So I had to go with, you know, any other colorway. So I went cream. I should have took red, but I could find some shoe to put the cream laces into. But I do have some black laces. I'll just swap them out. But yeah, so as you guys see, we have, you know, all blue upper, and this is, like I said, this is a satin material. Now this swoosh, I thought it was gonna be leather, but this is kind of like a I don't want to say like nylon, but it's like it seems like a reflective material. But yeah, first Nike ID, and let's go ahead and open up the second one. Also, I will have the link for this particular Nike ID. At the moment, it could be sold out, but just keep checking on it because these have restocked quite a few times. And here is the second pair. So once again, this is another shoe that, you know, I took inspiration after. This time it was a Nike SB Purple Lobster. We have an all purple upper, and this is what I love about Nike Customs, Nike IDs. The quality of this leather is buttery soft, super soft. I went with this is the anniversary swoosh, some type of anniversary. So the swoosh is a little bit bigger, and it allows you to have a double underlining color right here. So I underlined it with white, and then on the swoosh, then it says first use June 18, 1971. So they did that option for the anniversary of the Air Force One. Purple guts right there, purple outsole, and I went with the black midsole. Now I did see certain people use purple right here for the swoosh, but I feel like black would have stood out a little bit more. I want it to be a little bit different, so I switched mine up. And yeah, custom number 2. Now there is one I'm super excited about. I don't know, you know, which one I'm grabbing because I haven't unboxed none of these. So you guys are seeing these for the first time along with me. So here we go. I think this is it. I just took a peek. I saw through the hole. I think this is it right here. This is the first ID that I created. Let's see. Nope, this isn't it. This is not it. So saving the best for last, but these are fire too. So they did have a patent leather option for materials. I went ahead and, you know, created my own, you know, Laker themed Air Force One, all patent leather all throughout the shoe, on the mid panels, toe box, back of the heel, everywhere. So this is all patent leather. Yes sir. So I was gonna go with a clear outsole, but I didn't really like how that looked. I feel like purple looked a little bit more better on the shoe with, you know, what was already going on with the colorway at the top. So yeah, man, there is custom number 3. Now this, you know, I just created my own colorway since I'm a Laker fan. I did create, the last time that I did a Nike ID, I did have it's pretty much like the opposite of this in a way, a little bit. But yeah, this is a Laker themed Nike ID. Alright, so last but not least, the most anticipated custom that I created. And bro, like I said, I did not, you know, do this in any order. I just pretty much just, you know, grabbed and opened the boxes up. So I'm kind of glad that it worked out this way. I feel like this is the best one in my opinion. I can't wait to see it. So let's see. Here we go. The moment of truth. This was actually the first one that was delivered. I think this was the last one that came, was like last week. So these were like 2-3 weeks apart. I had to hold out because I wanted to do this all in one video. But yeah, I guess none of them come with the image, with the shoe, like a preview of the shoe on the label right there. But let's take a look. Let's see how they turned out. Let's go. Oh yes. Oh yes. So this is another shoe that is all patent leather, right? And I went ahead with the double swoosh on this as well to make this like gradient yellow and orange and red swoosh pop out. To me, I feel like I said, this was the best one out of all of them that I customized. These do look similar to a Nike SB. I know some of you guys who are really SB heads probably will know. So I did kind of take inspiration from the Pac-Man SB Dunk High. It's not, you know, it's not really too spot on, which I'm glad about. I went with baby blue, and you got your royal blue on the toe mid panel. Got your hits of the Nike Air and gold on the back stitched. Yeah man, I love these. These came out great. Blue tongue with the red label. I feel like this is like the best assembled custom out of all of these. Red outsole. And this is what I love about IDs. More than likely, nobody will have your ID unless, you know, you go with something like this. I feel like somebody would have this probably in leather. I haven't seen nobody make these in satin. But even those, I don't think nobody really made these. But usually whenever I customize my shoes, we have an option to share them, which I don't. I'd rather just, you know, hold out and wait till I get them in hand. I don't want everybody to have my design, especially this one. I feel like not a lot of people are going to have these because a lot of people do bite designs. So hopefully when I do put this out, the materials aren't there available. But like I said, I will have the link down below directly to the page where you can customize them if they are in stock and available. And once again, the materials that they have available is patent leather, regular leather, and also satin. So depending on, you know, what's available, you might be restricted, but definitely go ahead and give it a try and see what you can come up with. I love every single one of these. These will look better once I do, you know, take the laces out and put the black laces in here. And yeah man, it'd be good to go. But yeah, let me know which one that you guys think is the best Nike ID. These are a little bit, you know, flamboyant or kind of like over the top, kind of stand out a little bit more than the last customs that I made. But you know, I love doing this. I love, you know, customizing Nike IDs and, you know, giving my own personality to them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which one would you guys choose? Which one is the best out of all four? But yeah man, that about does it for the video. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.